In this video, I will show you how to delete Google Play Store search history. If you do have any questions or comments regarding this tutorial, feel free to drop that down in the comment section down below the video. And with that being said, let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, the first thing you're going to want to do is, of course, open up the Play Store app on your device. Now, if I come and click onto the search box just in the top, you can see we've got my recent searches down here, my search history. So to go ahead and delete this, it's really easy to do. What you're going to want to do first is click on your profile icon up in the top right hand corner, and on this menu that comes up, you just want to scroll down a bit and press onto settings. Next, what you want to do is press onto general, so that's the top option. Then you want to press onto account and device preferences. So this is going to take you across to a screen like this. Now, if you actually scroll down on this screen, you're going to see an option here to clear device search history. So all you want to do is press onto that option, and it's going to say all searches that you've made in Play on this device will be removed. So all you need to do is press clear history. As you can see, we've got a pop-up at the bottom saying search history cleared. So now if I come back onto the Google Play Store and I go back onto the search at the top, you can see that my recently search history on the Google Play Store has now been deleted. So that is how to delete Google Play Store search history. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.